For single crochet Intarsia still using this chart, there are 11, I think it's 11, yeah, 11 squares across the chart. So you chain 12 because you chain up one for your single crochets, or you can use the single crochet chain, which would count as your first row. But because this is such a short little thing, and this is going to be really small compared to the double crochet one, because you do one stitch per square on your chart. So you're going to have 11 single crochet across. I always just go into the top loop of my chain. It keeps the chain a little bit more elastic. You go through both stitches or through the back stitches, less elastic. Okay. And so what I would do is, for my first row, let's go in that direction. And because this chart's symmetrical, it really doesn't matter which direction you read it from, but for your non-symmetrical charts, it's going to matter. Okay, so I went to the end, chain one and turn, and go in each stitch across the row again. And because we turned, we'll take our post-it, cover the row that we just finished, and that arrow is going that way. Another thing you can do on your post-it, see, this is going to be the back, and you go this way. This is the front. That'll also help you determine which way you want to throw your yarn when you change colors. And I will show you that when the top gap comes. Let's just get these stitches in here. I would turn off the camera and turn it back on, but by the time that's all done, I'll be to the other end of the row. And for this, I'm just using some scraps. Yeah, actually, the scraps left from making the double crochet Intarsia. There should be plenty there. Okay, now I finished that row and turn, so move it up, cover the row we just finished, and the front is showing. So this is the front of the work. So for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll make 5 of the background color and 1 of the color of the heart, which is red. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, to change colors, you don't want to finish that 5th single crochet. Leave 2 loops on the hook. Get your red. Draw it through. Okay. And then single crochet over that tail, but don't finish your stitch. Pull this behind you. Get your second ball of your background color. Finish the stitch. You want to pull it up so that your stitch tension is the same size as the other stitches on the row. I'm single crocheting over my tail. With single crochets, you can get away with that a little better than with doubles. On the back, I'm going to tug on these a little bit, tighten it up. You don't want them too tight or your whole stitch will disappear. See how that happened? you want to have that whole stitch facing you. There we go. Just loosen it up a little bit. Okay. And then single crochet the rest of the way over, which is 5 stitches. Chain 1 and turn.